After initial installation of your new Daikin chiller unit and power up with either the chiller unit or the control board, you will find that the unit powers up with an LOC alarm. When your unit comes up with a LOC alarm, simply press the up and down arrow keys for 5 seconds. The alarm will go away, the unit will start up and run. With a Daikin oil chiller, you have multiple ways of controlling the oil temperature. Using the modes 0 through 9, simply getting to them by pressing this button all the way down to monitor. You can scroll 0 through 9 modes, each one having an individual way of controlling the temperature, whether it be through machine-based temperature, ambient, and/or inlet or outlet.